Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wardrobe declutter video for you. Today, I don't know how far I'm going to get, but I'm aiming to do this section here of my wardrobe. I already have two previous videos that I have just filmed today actually. But anyway, they'll be up if you haven't seen them. Go and check them out because this is a series. This section behind me is mainly maxi dresses and with some longer cardigans and coats, jackets, that type of thing. I'm gonna jump in and yeah. Don't expect to be able to declutter a lot of this stuff. This is a Dottie anorak jacket, keeping this for sure. I need like somewhere else to hang these because honestly, back in there. This is a taquito jacket, like a little duster jacket type thing. I'm gonna keep that one. These pants I got from Fashion Nova. I haven't actually worn them yet, but they need to be steamed, so keep those. Now I have these two white cardigans and I used to wear the absolute crap out of this longer one. See how long it is? And I hardly wore it this summer, and I got this lighter one and I didn't even wear it, but I don't know why I didn't wear them this summer at all. I feel like summer just went so quickly and then it just turned so cold so quickly. They are something that I want to hang on to. I've got this cardigan from Dottie. Now this one's like super bally, but I'll just use one of those little lint remover things on it. It has a little tie around the waist. I think I'll hang on to that one. I have this Forever New jacket and it's really nice, but I feel like it's quite prissy and it's not something that I would typically wear these days. So I might think about selling this one. Portman's trench coat, I wear this one all the time. This dress. Now, funny story, I bought this when I was in Vegas, I think it was. I didn't wear it for like a year and I was like at the point where I'm like, oh, I can nearly wear it. And then all of a sudden I lost way too much weight and I think it just doesn't fit me very well at all. Maybe I'll try it on and see. I've got like leggings on underneath, but see how it's just like, I don't know. It's like super boxy. The worst thing is like it's such good quality, but it's kind of like, it's really quite fitted like on the arms and everything, but then it's just like it's a shift dress, so it's like super boxy. I don't know. I'm defo that I haven't like worn it yet. I think I want to hang on to it because like the quality is actually so nice, like it's really nice and thick, and maybe see if I can't like maybe wear a belt or something with it. But yeah, I really do like this and I'm shattered that I haven't worn it, and I need to steam it as well and try and wear it. Cardigan from Kmart. This one I will keep. This one is a Valley Girl cardigan. I'll keep this one. This is like that first white cardigan that I showed. It has slits in the side and it's ribbed. Forever New jacket, and I will be keeping this one. This dress, I don't know if you remember it from my weight loss video, but I'm actually going to try it on because yeah, I'm going to just try it on. Now, this dress is a size 14 and I actually got it from the Iconic, but I got it to wear to Dean's sister's engagement party and I literally barely fit in it. Like at the time, like my boobs were busting out and I could not move at all. I couldn't even do the zip up. I couldn't bend down to do my shoes on. And yeah, like I know you can like see boobs now, but like it fits, honestly, like I barely fit into it. And to see it like, you know, quite loose on me up here and everything is just, it's a really good feeling. So this dress I know I would try on from time to time when I was losing weight, and would kind of be the gauge of how much weight I've lost and how well I fit into it and how easily I can do the zip up and everything like that. So I kind of want to keep it like for that memory to show like, and I do really like it, and I could still wear it. Like I could definitely still wear this dress. Like I think it looks gorgeous. I could just pin that. It doesn't look too big on me, so I can definitely still wear it. It's just the sleeves are like a bit flowy, but anyway, I really like this dress, so I'll be keeping it. Oh, this jacket from Kmart. I think I've worn this like once, to be honest. I really, really liked it, but I need to rearrange my wardrobe so I have my jackets coming out at the top kind of thing, like up this end. This pink cardi, I don't think I've ever really worn. I think I've worn it like twice, so I'll get rid of that one. Oh, this dress is so pretty. This is from Taquito Maya, and I haven't worn it. If Have I taken the tags off? No, I've still got the tag on. It's a size 12. It actually fits me perfectly, but I haven't had the right occasion to wear it to because it can look so nice. Like you could even wear this to like a wedding or just, you know, like a really, like it can be actually quite dressy, but not too dressy, if you know what I mean. Like it's a kind of in-between dress, and I haven't had the right thing to wear it to. Boohoo duster, wear it all the time. It's great. I have this duster, and to be honest, I've still got the tag on it. I think I wore it for like an outfit of the day. Oh, that's even inside out. No, is it? No, it's not. But yeah, I haven't really worn it since. I might just keep it because I'm just like, This dress is very similar to the one that I'm wearing. I haven't actually worn this one, and I've had it for a while. I know when I first bought it, like I didn't fit into it that well, but I do fit into it now, but I just forget that I have it. It's so hard because like I shove things down here because, you know, whatever, but then I forget that I have them. Got this crochet cardigan. I'm going to keep this one. I haven't worn it in a while, but I do really love it, and you know, like these are kind of hard to find, so yeah. This dress from Dottie, I haven't worn this one, but I bought it for Dean's sister's engagement party, and then I never ended up wearing it because I didn't fit into it. It's kind of like a goal dress for me, and now I put it on and I'm like, oh, there's way more flattering dresses that I'd rather wear, but I still would like to wear it because it is stunning. It's beautiful. And then I bought this dress from Forever New, and I haven't had the chance to wear that one yet either, but yeah, I definitely don't need to go shopping for special occasions. This one is from Dottie. I wore this to a wedding in Bali. I love it, keeping it. This one is from MRP, and I haven't actually worn it, so oh, maybe I wore it once. I don't think I'll wear that. I think I'll get rid of that one. This dress, I think I'll sell. I've never worn it. It's a maxi dress. Yeah, I haven't worn it. This dress I've worn a few times. It's not the most flattering, but it's super comfy, and it can be like a little bit dressy if I need it to be. It's a long maxi dress with a zip there, and I have said this in my previous videos, but it'll be a good pregnancy dress. I'm not currently pregnant, but I feel like it might be a good pregnancy dress that I want to hang on to. It's a bit big for me because it's a size 14, but yeah. Oh, this dress I haven't worn in ages, but it's a beautiful holiday dress. I want to keep it because I actually got it in Hawaii on our honeymoon, so I'm going to keep this one. This dress is from Portman's, and it didn't actually wash up that well. It was probably meant to be dry clean only. It was so cute. I think I need to wash it again, to be honest. Oh, this dress I love. Floral maxi dress. It's way too big for me now though. It's just too big. But pregnancy dress. This dress is really beautiful. It's one that I wore to my friend's wedding. It's just a floral, kind of like a maxi midi length dress. But this one has elastic at the waist, so you can kind of get away with it for a few different sizes. It's a large, but maybe like to a 12 to a 14. So I think I'll hang on to that one for it being so versatile. Oh, this dress I never actually got to wear. It was so beautiful, but I was at the stage where it was a bit too tight for me and I couldn't wear it, and now it's too big for me. It's a 12 Dottie, and it's so beautiful. I wore it to wear like in a Valentine's Day or something. Was it last year? Yeah, it was last year, I think. And it was just a little bit too small for me. So I think I'll sell that one. This dress is from Little Party Dress, and it is so cute. I got it in a size 12, and it's just too big, which is really annoying because it's so beautiful. So I think that I think I'll get rid of this one. This dress is from Saint Frock, and I wore it a few times over summer, so it'll be good to wear again next summer. The only thing is like it needed a thing there for my tatas to keep them in, but yeah, I'll keep that one. Ooh, my Fashion Nova Babe dress. Love this, definitely keeping this one. This dress is also from Saint Frock, and it was so cute. I have an Instagram photo of it, and I love it. It was beautiful. I think I'll keep that one. This one is also from Saint Frock, and I wore it for an Instagram photo, but I haven't actually worn it yet, so I think I'll hang on to that one. Yeah, it's still got its tags on. This dress here was from My Little Party Dress, and it is a size 12, and it's so big. It's honestly like a size 14 to 16, even looking at it now. So I will pass this one on. This dress is from my little party dress. I wore it in an Instagram photo, but I haven't actually had a chance to wear it yet. But it is gorgeous. This one's a size large. It's really nice, but I need to wear it. This one's from Valley Girl. I think I'll hang on to this one. This one is from MRP, and I wore it actually when we were in Bali. I think I'll hang on to this one. This is a Kmart dress. I only wore this like once or twice. I think I'll hang on to it just for next season. It was actually really nice. This is a wrap skirt from Little Party Dress. I haven't actually worn this one yet, so I think I'll hang on to it. So this dress is from MRP. It's a few years old, but it never actually fit my boobs in it properly. Like, I would rather the elastic to come down a little bit further, and it didn't. So I might get rid of this one. I wore this dress to Vamp this year. It's a Cooper Strip dress. I will hang on to this one. It was so nice. Taquito size 12. I need to wear this to work more often because honestly, it's so nice. Oh, I forgot I had this. I got this when I was in New Zealand. I've just never worn it. I need to wear it. Like, I just forget that I have it. This is one of those like slothy kind of cardigans. I haven't worn it in ages, but I think it'll be good when I'm pregnant. This is another duster from Boohoo. It's really, really nice, so I'll keep that one. Valley Girl basic cardigan. I will keep that one. Kmart grey cardigan. I'll keep that. Boohoo duster, keep that one. I've got these pair of like, well, 2 pairs of like high-waisted pants from Tempt. I didn't fit into them at a stage, so I haven't worn them, but I don't know if I have the figure to pull them off anyway. I do need to try them on again, but I'll just chuck them back in there, because honestly. What I'm going to do is push all the old dresses that summery kind of dresses back to the back, and then fill up this section with things that I could wear this season. I have a few other coats that were in the cloak cupboard. Now I have this one in a size 14, and it was in one of those bags, so it's all like creasy, but it's not something that I'd wear anymore anyway, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Same with this, it's not something that I'd wear anymore anyway. So cute, but yeah, I'll get rid of that one. This one is kind of cute and it's really comfy too. Actually, I wonder if it's too big. This one was from Gingham and Hills. Did I get it last year or the year before? Oh, it's so comfortable. It's, oh my gosh. See how like it's knitted at the back and then it's just got these, oh, so comfy, and it's got pockets. Yeah, I love this one. Then this wrap coat from Forever New, I'll keep that one. And then this Portman's coat. I bought this one on clearance for 90 bucks, and yeah, I'll keep that one too. So I'll put these ones there. I have this coat from Forever New. Oh, it's got a lipstick. That's why I haven't bloody done anything. I don't know what this is gonna look like. So it's one of those ones where oh, I don't really like this. No. I don't really like this anyway. I'll sell this one, but I need to clean the lipstick off of it first. So that is part 3 done and dusted. Here is this section with all my jackets up the front. So make sure you thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.